Alright guys, welcome, and we're here at an event in Oceanside. There's going to be later in the video. Make sure you watch the video, a cruise at the end.
What's up, Mike?
Hey, and we're walking through, getting in line to go in. It's a pretty fun, and it's pretty cool. Oceanside, so different buses and bugs and whatnot, VWs. And we drove out in the 13 window this morning, came out early, and drove this bus here. So anyway, been helping Reggie set up a little bit. Yeah, this is a really fun show because if you ever come to this and you're one of the first that, well, I don't know if they're gonna do it next year, but they've been doing this thing for a while. They give you a shirt and a beer coupon if you're one of the first 50. So you got to get here early. Of course, I'm number 21. So that means that I'm in, right? So anyway, a lot of people in line. We'll have fun once we get in, and talk to you guys a little bit later. Check out some of the roll-in. Got the double cab coming in right now. Got I think these are the DKP guys from DKP came. Or DKK, this one's good. So DKK coming. Should be a pretty good sized turnout. Not sure how far around the building it is. Really bringing in people pretty quickly. Take a look here. That's loud. Let's take a look at this one. This came in trailered. Really nice. I think that's when he built this car. I forget the whole story. It's also at the
I'll be in the back. Okay, I'll see you.
Rare Vintage Air event. So kind of featured in that video. So if you can watch that, you'll see this car. Really nice. We got dune buggies cruising in. All sorts of stuff. He's got his Aruga horn. That's pretty fun. Here's Reggie, guy, founder of this show. And really fun, you guys. If you haven't been, you got to come. This one, if you're anywhere in Southern California, make it a day. It's on a Saturday, so a lot of people, they can't come to the other events. They come to the Saturday events. And so you get different people here. It's at a brewery. They got excellent beverages. I mean, man, it's way too good. And then, of course, don't drink too much because there is a cruise at the end if you want to do it. And we just kind of go and flood the beach and put hydrocarbons on everybody. And pissed off a few people last time with the smell, but anyway, it's Volkswagens and beaches are part of history, so you guys can get over it for 5 minutes, right? People that were all upset about the smelling the hydrocarbons for 5 minutes. So anyway, found a shady spot here. I can stand and film the cars coming in. They're doing a great job of getting them in quickly this year. We had that issue last year, and so we kind of discussed it with them, and they came up with a great plan. Looks like they're really moving out. She did the first 50 on the window, so she knows how many shirts to give out, and then when that's over, shirts are over. I think they may have done 100 last year, but they did 50 this year because it gets pretty expensive, and all that stuff's gone up in price, you know, guys. So anyway, I think it's pretty awesome that you come to an event and get a shirt and a beer if you get here early. That's pretty it. But even without that, it's totally worth it. It's this year it's only $20 compared to most of them are $25, and the brewery has excellent food, so yeah, you can't go wrong with that. I mean, excellent beer. Food, they have a bunch of food vendors this year versus last year they only had like one, and this year they've got a ton of them, so they really tried to work it out. Having a little difficulty parallel parking here. I should have moved the bus, so anyway, I'll do that. Coming in. Phenomenal rolling, guys. Some of the stuff while they're setting up still. Nice looking car. Really nice. Got here at number 60, looks like 61. Next to him, Super Beetle. Super Beetle with a cage and a wing. Pretty cool. A little different. And it's a late Super too.
Hey, you're that guy from the
YouTube
videos,
yeah,
huh?
that's right. Cool. Got Safari open there, I see.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, got your sunroof. Almost don't want it open right now when it's this warm.
You got that natural AC.
Natural AC. Oh yeah, the Safari definitely would be open with the sunroof. A little hot in the old head right now.
Natural AC and bugs in the teeth. Yeah.
Bugs in the teeth. Yeah, I've done that. My buddy back in the day used to ride in our split window bus with his feet out the front windshield. I was surprised we didn't get pulled over with that one, but we didn't, fortunately. Going down PCH with his feet out the front. Back when you didn't need to have a seatbelt on, or it didn't have one anyway, so. Check it out. So we got over here, let's look there what we got. Oh yeah, that's cool. Westy setup. Oh, these are really neat. Look at that. Peace signs in there. Pretty cool. We're gonna have some water pumpers here too. A water pumper section. There's a whole bunch of cars coming in still for that. Let's just kind of look here. What we got going on? There's like car clubs coming. They haven't got here yet. Still pretty early. This show starts a little later than some. It's a nice looking bay right there. Walk through. Sliding windows in the middle. I don't know what the deal is with these guys. Tell me. Original, aftermarket, I don't know. Or was it optional? Our bay window did not have that. So, and it was a deluxe. It had the vent wings, which believe me, we used. No AC back in the day. We used the vent wings. So, really nice. A little bit of shade back here, which is handy. Really gonna be a hot one today. So I definitely want to film a lot of this stuff early, then show you guys a little bit about the brew pub. They're a really great little place. Belching Beaver. Wow, that's really cool. That's early, is that 60? This has got to be a 60, or no, this is early. It's a low light. Didn't even catch it. because of the flat headlights, it kind of threw me off. So it's a 50.
Right there. He's gonna diagonal in. Yeah. I'll take the shade.
58 or 9, one or two. Nice looking car. German Volks original. Well, that thing's quiet. That one's a lot noisier. Hey, got the whole group here. So down this way, they're gonna have a lot of music going on here a little bit later. We've got a real synchro. That's nice. Those are neat. Split window bus. Number 55. Nice there. It's really cool. Black oval. Has his trapping badge on there. Hey, how's it going? Alright, so we got a Patina double cab. This is a nice Patina right here, guys. I think that's really nice looking Patina. You notice he's got some primer on there, a couple spots and stuff, but a lot of original paint. Stuff like that. So a lot of bay windows at this event too. That's a really neat setup there. What do you think about that? So he's got this thing here. It's a sunroof. It's got a pole inside connected to that sunshade. Big drag motor. Stinger. Got things here. Alright, got the All Out show. Got my shirt on from last year. Oh, that's cool. That's a nice roll-in right there.
Yes, it is.
Yes, we got the thing, bro. Looks like to me. This is cool. This is a really nice thing here. You did all this, didn't you, yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this thing turned out really good too. I mean, it's just. What year is this one?
73.
73? Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Really nice. So we got one more thing over here. We got two more. We got things sitting. They just tie them right to the roll bar. All right, that works. Why not? Got another thing here.
Got
Real nice.
picture of the dashboard.
Oh yeah. Oh man.
How you doing?
Good.
Good.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh man. This is the one. Yeah, this is the one you did all this stuff on the deck.
Yeah.
That's
it
right.
Got really good.
Yeah. That looks really cool.
Yeah, the guy that did that was homeless. I go, how the hell can you be homeless with art? Look at that.
That's
Airbrush?
beautiful.
Yeah.
And look at this, the detail in that.
Oh, I know, absolutely incredible. Look at the birds on the top, the surfer, and he's homeless.
Yeah. Wow. It's just
Come
nobody
on,
buys
man.
this kind of thing now. You know, it's like so weird. A custom paint business just died for us. You know, we were doing custom paint in the 80s and nobody's doing it now.
No.
So everybody wants something painted perfectly nice and clean. No custom work. And so we got a little bit of sun on you guys. It's hard for me to see. Can't tell how bad it is. Beetle here. We've got some work vehicles here that don't belong, but we couldn't get them moved. So anyway. Maybe I'll film from the back. See that. So you guys aren't in the sun.
I got a couple in the car, you know? Alright, cool. Hey, you get a size 17 and my wife is an 11, so we just...
A little bit tired this morning. Had to get up at 5 to get here, so Oceanside, bit of a drive for me. So anyway, cool looking oval. Got some shade up ahead, so I'll get on the other side and kind of film the other way too. As you can see, everybody's out here already in the shade, hanging out before the brewery opens. Once the brewery opens, everybody goes inside. It's great. It's awesome. Nice looking double. We got this one here, Karmann Ghias. Oval window, the old notch back, and a beautiful square back from Riverside. Oh, look at this. Look at that Vespa there. It's cool. Good old 200. Little two-stroke 200. Those things were fun. So the light looks pretty good right over here. We'll go ahead and get you guys in these area here. Got a lot of daily drivers. Really fun event.
Hey, can go either way.
Hanging out.
Some people are totally.
This is a cool barn door. This is a post, or not barn door, it's a post barn door, sorry. It's not barn door, it's a post barn door 55. So 55, early, late 55, early regular split window bus. And you can tell because it has a lip, no lip there. The early barn door, or early non-barn door bus, post barn door. Really neat. All right, the Karmann Ghias. Karmann Ghias Vert. It's really cool. That's some really nice interior there, isn't it? And this is a Type 34. A really good example of a nice car. Look at that. I had these in Europe. They didn't come to the US. I guess, my guess is probably because the Corvair had a lot of similarities as far as it looked. And these things, I hear they drive really like a car, Type 3. Really drives like a regular vehicle. Let's look at the front. Sanded Beetle.
The door hits a little bit. It looks good though. Nice interior. The inside
Let's take a look at some of these Karmann Ghias. A lot of clubs here, so that's kind of cool. Karmann Ghias Vert.
Sí, tenemos muchos nosotros. Tengo un 64, un 65.
Let's take a look.
Tengo un 55. Pero
No mucha gente sabe.
es que son
We might have saw the low light coming in. Dolphin blue, I believe.
Vamos a ir en septiembre.
Dolphin blue, nice.
Yo acabo de ir a uno, pero en La Paz, Baja California.
Ah, sí. Acabo de ir
Really cool. Another Karmann Ghias, all black, a little pinstripage on that. Old school. Kind of cool to see some of that stuff. I like the design on that actually. Pinstripes. Oh, he's got this, look. Stained glass windows in the back. That's definitely different. Look at this. Stained glass work here. A little scoop to bring the air in. A little pinstriping going on there. And he's got a different stained glass over here. That's kind of neat. Definitely different. Wood grain dash. Definitely a different deal. Let's look over here. Wow, what is this? 67, I'm going to guess. 67, proper air cleaner on it. All the good old 1 year only stuff. Seat belts. Wow, is that original paint? Maybe, because you can see some rust there. And here. Maybe that is original paint. Touched up, maybe. It looks like the back part's been painted, maybe. Looks pretty good. Super Beetle. That's part of Patina Life. Patina Life is all along here, I think. We've got another club. Prospects. I don't know what it is. I'll film the banner. You guys can tell me. It's hard for me to look at that and film at the same time. So I'll head over there. Still getting cleaned up there. Those some cool wheels, BBS. I don't see these on a Beetle much. They're always on the later models. So this is the club. Oh, I can get it there. Too far. So anyway, that's it. Thing rolling in. It is packed this year. We've got a lot more cars than last year. A lot more. Spider replica. That's pretty neat. Some of these Patina did look really cool. Like they made a Patina and it looked original, but it wasn't. And it was really neat. But they made it look like it was completely original. Like the original paint that had faded out or whatever. That's a really nice 914. Really nice. Karmann Ghias. I don't know what green that is. It's definitely different than the Beetle, I think, isn't it? It's not Java green. It's something else. Split window bus. What we saw just rolling in a minute ago. I got sun in your eyes, guys, so sorry about that. Bay's kind of trying to roll in. And there's more cars coming, and we have no more space in this area. They're going to, they have this other area, the mezzanine. It's full of food vendors and more space over there. But we're going to get it full, looks like. Probably near 200 cars here. That's pretty cool. What's that they did to the front there? I almost tried to make it look like a bus nose. Put a bead roller and did a little magic there. Made a trailer. It's a lot of weight for a little Beetle to pull, probably. barbecue. Well-used barbecue, let me put it that way. We've got the Beetle here.
My dad was a car dealer when
A little bit of engine tint painted. All right, so that's pretty nice. Super vert. Wow, look at this. Is this the build sheet?
I think it's the purchase agreement
Wow.
from original.
Look at that. What year is that one? What does it say there? I'm looking for it. On here, it should say the year, right? I don't know. It's hard to see right now. In the sun. Oh, I just pumped up the power box a little. Give it a little more juice. Yeah, 1776. Get a little power. Something. So we got to see here. We got this thing hooked up. We got the bright yellow Karmann Ghias. A couple vendors down here. This looks like a little different than most of the time. Might grab a little something to eat since I got up so early. Get hungry at about 11. It's a little bit before that now, but that's all right. All right, then we will hit the brewery around noon.
No, you're not. I'm not saying bye.
And there's Amber. She's here. Vasa Pampas. Vasa Pampas. Nice bay window. 71. Cool. Love those. 71 Deluxe. Vanagon. These would be kind of cool. I almost wouldn't mind having one of these. And AAZ, that sucker. Or actually, I really would like to have a Dolca and then put AC in it for long drives, stuff like that. There's a really nice one too. This is a really nice early bay. So it's going to be it's early bay because I've noticed because it has the round hubcaps, guys. The Beetle style hubcaps, early Beetle. Well, the other ones are Beetle too, right? So yeah. 68 to 70. I don't know what year it is. Don't know how to tell the difference on them really. Here we go. Golf R. Nice. These are cool. Golf R. Try and find one of these for sale. Good luck with that. There's two right here. A black one and a blue one. Is this the V6 one or?
No, it's a 4-cylinder.
For the 4-cylinder later model?
Yeah, the later ones.
All right, so we got a Beetle. Later Beetle. Vert. Did they make them? I didn't know they did. Okay. Oh, here goes Reggie's music. He got it on, so now I've got that to worry about. But I don't think the music he has on is going to be an issue right now. So, a couple of food vendors, and then we've got this whole area here. Wow, this show is packed. Got to be over 100 cars. I'm going to say we're close to 200. We've got another space here if somebody else. And they've got no alcohol beyond this point here, so you can actually walk around this event this year. They got licensing to do the whole area, so really cool. All right, let's take a look around. I think I'm gonna grab a bite to eat. I'll bring you guys back in as we see some more stuff. Talk to you a little bit later. This is different. Look at, I wonder what size wheels those are. Can't see, but they're big. Look at that. All the seats he's got in here. Wow, Arizona plates. Look at the angle of the roof too. That's wild. With the 18-inch wheels. You guys want like that? Cool, that thing is crazy. Got a lot of money tied up in that. Cool, man. I was talking to Doug. Or he calls him 10-foot Doug, but anyway, it's Doug. And right over there is Doug. Hopefully you can see that. I kind of moved the camera a little fast. Sorry about that, guys. A couple more things we're going to see over here that we have not seen yet. Okay, guys, check it out. We're just going to kind of walk through here. Show you guys what's... A lot of people here. A lot of cars. It's very big. This show's getting way bigger. 160 cars. That's where we're at. So that's the record yet for this show. So, but it's the best part is the venue and the beer, which we're gonna go check out shortly. Ooh, look at this. A stretch limo thing. Cool. So a stretch thing. How about tattoo taking you in that one, right? Pretty wild. So we're gonna check out what's going on over here. There's a couple more. This one showed up later. That's a Patina ride. Pretty cool. Or just a daily driver type of style. So a lot of these came in a little bit later. I'm gonna run through this row all the way up.
Alright, 682, 657.
While the music's not playing.
682, 65.
This one here's got shiny clear on the Patina.
If you're coming from the back, yell. Raise your hand. Wave.
At least they're protecting the metal.
Up. Are you
I like to
winner?
see that.
I see someone running.
This one's kind of cool.
682, 657.
That is on the ground there.
Yeah? Yeah?
He has a lot of
Okay,
interesting
winner.
things on that.
We have the U-line
So
beer
this one here is,
can
I
sleeve.
have a video of this one scraping the ground in
Congratulations.
Imperial Beach.
Okay.
Little idea. Oh, it moved. It was over somewhere else. Over here
All
now.
right. In a few more minutes, we'll do about 20 minutes. We're going to do another one.
All right. There you go. He uses this. Cool swing. I'm gonna see the brewery here pretty soon. I think we're gonna go in there. We're going in. behind me. He was lost and he came back in. Gotta have a short amount of people on the cruise this time. Usually we have quite a few people on the cruise, but who knows? I mean, the show ended really cool. Look at that Beetle over there. Very cool. So we're gonna head up this road and go to the beach. Got a Beetle up there, some buses up in the front. Very cool. Alright, we got a little different car in front of us. I don't know, this guy just kind of pulled in. And trying to get a photo up here. Beautiful ocean view, guys. Absolutely amazing. So we'll go down. We'll go down to the Oceanside view. Kind of pulled in front of that guy a little bit, but that's alright. It's an amazing view right here. Alright. Cool. God, what an amazing view, guys. It's just like right on the ocean. We got VW buses and Beetles. The cars of the olden days. And ocean view, bikinis. All kinds of stuff here. This guy here is just a passerby. And we're part of the event here.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping